folks, JodoCast again. This time I'm actually in the middle of doing a build. I just thought I'd just bring you one little sample piece of it, just one of the little features that I'm building into this one, and I might show you a couple of other bits that I'm working with. But this is one little design that I came up with, which I thought was pretty neat. Haven't seen someone else do this. In fact, I haven't seen a lot of integration with laser pinpoint sights or red dot sights, whatever you want to call them. So I thought I'd just show you what I'm doing with this build of mine currently. I will show you the rest of the build later on. It's fairly extensive. I'm actually building two parallel side by side at the moment, so I'm flat out under the pump. I'm trying to build pulse rifles. I'm designing 3D parts and whatever, and yeah, just flat out busy at the moment. But just thought I'd do this quick video just to show you this one little thing, because I came up with it and thought it was a cool little idea, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. As we're building these rapid strikes and what have you, all you guys would be familiar with this part, which is the little peep sight that runs up the front of the blaster here. You line it up with your back one, and that gives you a little peep to sight up objects. Now, what I've actually come up with was you can buy these laser diodes. So you can buy these off eBay. They're pretty cheap. I can't remember exactly. It's like $6 or something for 5. So they're pretty cheap. Now, what I thought of was integrating this with this little peep sight. So what I've actually done is I've designed and 3D printed this part here. Now, essentially what it is it's a spacer type scenario. What you do is you insert your laser diode into it. It's got a cutout there for your wires to come through. Actually, how about I'll show you. Okay, so we've got this little 3D printed part. So basically what we do is insert the wires from your little laser diode through, and they will come out like so. And then you feed the laser diode actually in, and the internal diameter is being made such so that it's a snug fit for the diode. So you will have to give the diode a decent old push to get it in there. Now you can recess it back as far as you like. I like to just sort of get it just flushed past the top edge. So I'm just going to enlist the help of, how about the back of this pen, eh? Alright, so hopefully you can see that there. The diode is now pushed back, flushed into there, and you've got your couple of wires hanging out here. Now you take your peep sight from the top and just cut a small hole in the bottom of it, as large as need be. It probably didn't need to be quite that large, but just to make it easier to pass the wires through. And then basically what you do is pass the wires up and through that hole. Then you insert that into the front tube, the main tube. And then, once you've got it in, then you can actually pass the wires back through the hole in the bottom. And at the bottom. Now, if you get this all lined up correctly, then that will all sit flush. So there's no bits overhanging. You've got your laser diode in the front there, and your wires at the bottom. Go about mounting that in your blaster like so. You can hook up a power supply to your laser diode, and you've got a laser sight built in to your blaster. As I said, I'm building a couple of blasters parallel, and I've done this on the other one, and the laser sight runs straight through, clips the top of the front iron sight, and is in dead line with the aim of the gun or the blaster. So it lines up and works beautifully. So that's one little thing that I've been doing and that I've come up with. So that's one of my little projects. Some of the other bits I've been doing, designing and 3D printing. There's a motor cover. I haven't finished this one off yet. That's just a straight raw print. But for if you're doing 180 motors, This is a 3D printed motor cover that basically you can just glue into place over the top of your motors, and it follows the lines of the actual blaster. So once you're all painted up and everything, it actually looks like it's supposed to be there and not like it's an add-on. Also, there's a little motor cover for your back motor when you're doing a 180 for your pusher. This just fits into here and basically gives you a look like it's supposed to be there, not like it's something that's been just stuck on afterwards. And like a little nameplate, basically that just fits on top of where the old Rapidstrike used to be. You just grind that off and you can have, well, in this case obviously I've put my namesake on there, signing my work. Yeah, so they're just a couple of the bits and pieces that I've been working on. In amongst this enormous build that I'm doing, which is giving me quite a few headaches. But look, once it's done, I'll show you the video once it's done, because I'm going to be, well, providing everything works the way I want it to, this will be a build that I'll be really proud of. It's actually going to be one that I keep for myself because of everything that's going into it and the amount of effort and what have you. I'm really racked with everything and how it's all coming together. It's just a matter of sorting out a few little bugs, getting it to operate the way I want to, but it looks like it's all coming together. Alright folks, once again thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff. Just want to send a quick shout out to a couple of my Nerf community friends.
Heavy storage.
Mag 212.
Triple bifurcation.
Tom here from Fame Data Services. And
Rob, Southern Brisbane Left.
Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers.